Ever taught a brilliant, engaging lesson only to be met with blank stares from those same students a week later? This evaporation of knowledge often persists even after excellent instruction, largely because students rarely get the chance to practice finding that information again once the initial lesson ends. Each time a student successfully locates a fact in their memory, the brain essentially paves a more reliable road back to that data. This mental effort, the search itself, is what makes knowledge durable and resistant to being forgotten. The most effective place to build this habit is the very first minute of class. By starting a lesson with a short retrieval activity, you immediately reconnect students with previous learning. This requires zero prep. You might write 3 questions from the previous week on the board, run a quick knowledge quiz, or use a retrieval grid as a low-stakes entry task. During the lesson, you can shift from individual recall to simultaneous participation. Many whiteboards are the perfect tool for this. Instead of calling on one raised hand, ask the entire room a specific question, like write down 3 causes of the Industrial Revolution, and have everyone hold up their boards at the same time. In a single glance, student thinking becomes entirely visible. Every person in the room is actively participating, and no one can hide from the cognitive work required to recall the answer. This chart plots the harsh reality of memory decay. It shows how knowledge inherently fades over days and weeks if the brain isn't forced to revisit it. We counter this through spaced retrieval. By introducing weekly review quizzes, cumulative homework, and interleave tasks, we interrupt that forgetting process and flatten the curve until the knowledge becomes permanent. Passive review can be deceptive. Students recognize information on a page and mistake familiarity for mastery. Real memory strength is forged only when the brain works to produce the answer independently. To make learning stick, we must prioritize the active process of remembering, recalling, and retrieving.